Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about programmer-defined functions in JavaScript, part of Web Technologies course. Programmer-defined functions, also known as user-defined functions, are functions that are created and defined by the programmer, as opposed to built-in functions that are part of the language itself. Programmer-defined functions can be used to perform a wide range of tasks, such as performing calculations, processing data, interacting with the user, or manipulating the document object model in web development. In JavaScript, programmer-defined functions can be defined using the function keyword, followed by the function name, a list of parameters within the parenthesis, and a code block with curly braces. In this example, a function named greet is defined that takes one parameter, name, and uses it to print a greeting to the console. The function is called with the argument John and the output is hello John. Programmer-defined functions can also take multiple parameters, have default values for the parameters, or have no parameters at all. And they can also return a value using the return keyword. In the example, the add function takes two parameters, a and b. The parameter b has a default value of 0. So if the second parameter is not provided, when the function is called, it will be assumed to be 0. In addition to defining and calling programmer-defined functions, JavaScript also allows you to pass functions as arguments to other functions and return them as values and assign them to variables. This is known as closures. This allows for a more advanced functional programming approach and allows for more code reusability and flexibility. In this example, the multiply function is defined and returns another function that takes a single parameter b and returns the product of a and b. The return function is then assigned to the variable double and can be reused with the different values of b. It is important to note that the parameter is closed over by inner function and it is remembered by the inner function even after the outer function has returned. Programmer-defined functions are a fundamental concept in JavaScript and are a powerful tool for organizing, reusing, and abstracting code. It is important to use them in a structured and readable way to make your code easy to understand and maintain. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.